Dapat mo talaga ako na-train na.
Ito na lang. Ate, gamitin mo. Pala kay ate eh.
But you say last time, like, gives your eyes like that.
Oo, yung mga...
Ha?
Naka-live ka ba?
Oo, saan tayo punta?
Saan ba? Sabi ko sa picture.
Pila yun eh.
Ay,
Like, expensive mirrorless, right? It is also good. Like, it can be. Like, this is considered not good.
Ate, picture.
Although after
Picture mo nga ako dyan.
the one that I'm looking at, but
Ito, yan.
Yeah, this is right.
these are very small pieces. There are bigger ones.
After free man.
It's nice so that you can like.
For a lot bigger length and all that.
The
Dahil ikaw?
like, cause the sensor is bigger, then you can like have more things. Not so like you can.
One,
Like imagine like
one,
square.
two, three.
Yeah, then big square.
One, two, three. Wow. Ikaw si ate din. One, two, three. Isa pa. One, two, three. Ate, ikaw nga doon kasi nandun siya kanina eh. Si ate. Ate Anne, bigyan mo sa kanya. Ay, may tao na naman. Yan, 1, 2, 3. Tapos may tao na naman. Ayun yan, 1, 2, 3. Ay! Okay, 1, 1, 2, 3. Yan. May mga tao. Ay, binigay ko sa Ayan.
sabay ano yung isa kanila.
Real.
Ka dyan, may nag-picture din.
Ay, sorry.
Yun, nalipad ng flag. Ang laki ng
Saan? Ang laki ng flag,
Ang
oh.
haba ng pila. Papunta dun sa barko.
Kaya nga eh, actually kasi hanggang last day kasi nila ngayon eh.
Oh, kaya.
Tapos ngayon ang labasan ng mga tao. Wala kasi silang night nung nakaraan. Hanggang ano lang sila, around 5.
Kapag bayad yan.
Free nga. Free.
Free yan.
Mm-mm.
I said you fucking sometimes Elijah. Don't anyhow.
Yung iba kasi pumasok na dyan eh. Actually kasi nung Sabado, gusto kong pumunta dito eh.
One week na sila dito.
Hindi siya, 20 ano pa lang sila pumunta dito. Hindi pa nag 1 week, parang 5 days pa lang yata sila eh. Pero hanggang ngayon lang sila eh. Oo. Ito din yung pumunta dun sa amin eh. Sa barangay namin. Yung kay Magellan. Pinaglululoko niya yung mga kaibigan niya eh.
Wow. No. Come here. I got
See this as the sunset there.
Yeah, I'll take a look at this one.
Oh my god, the Mexican place is that big. I've never seen a place. Should we go the other side? Let's go there. So this feels like we went to go see Espada. Yeah, it's fun.
Amoy alak ko sa tabi ko ah.
Oh, you like.
You want? Yes, it is.